gives you joy? What gives you happiness?
Welcome, sir. Thank you very much. Amos, come. Has anyone responded to the vacant post we put outside?
Ha! Nobody. Not even one person like this don't come knock for this door say wetin dey happen. Every two minutes, sometimes 1 minute, I go come out, go check am whether anybody. Nobody really come. I don't understand. You know, clear me.
It's all right. If anyone comes, you just direct them to me. Okay?
No problem, sir. But Oga,
Yes.
as people know the gree come like that, or nobody don't even come, I been dey think something for my small head. I been dey say, as you come back, I go tell you whether I go do another one. Maybe carry am for go for business center, make them type the one wey go big, come put, or we fit go for television station or radio station, go put announcement say we dey find person wey go come dey do housemaid. You know, say the thing as you talk, I say e dey urgent. Na wetin make I dey talk like this. Any of this one, I believe say e good. In fact, e good. In fact, the television station own na e good pass. Make we do am. You go see the result. Very accurate. So, wetin you talk?
Go back to your duty post.
Huh? See Oga o. We are dey here dey tell this man wetin I think with my head. Why take sleepless night, think well. They tell you wetin we go do, make we forget result. He say, he just look me finish, like say Mumu say, go back to your duty post. No wahala. I dey go back to my duty post now. Wetin concern me? No be you need house help.
Don't be enemy of your own God-given blessings. Don't be
My baby is back. Hi, darling. How was your day?
It is good.
own God-given blessings.
You didn't buy anything for me. Oh. You didn't buy me even pizza.
We'll still have pizza in the fridge.
It's finished. I'm hungry. How can you not buy anything for me? What is this?
You
don't
didn't
like
call
it,
to tell me that you were hungry.
Do I have to call you? I have to call you for you to know you buy food for me. I'm hungry. Oh, I want food.
Meanwhile, what's your shot doing in the sitting room? Do you now change your clothes here?
Oops.
Oops.
I did a TikTok video and I forgot.
You no longer do your TikTok videos in the room. You now do them in the sitting room.
Why are you so insensitive? I'm talking about that I need food and you're talking about something else. I want food though. Better go and look for food for me. If not,
It's
don't
all
touch me
right.
this night.
I'll make food for you right away. Okay?
I'll order. I don't want.
Like I said, you don't need to order. I'll make food for you.
I can't wait.
I said I will make food for us.
I said I can't wait. I'll order the food. Should I have ordered the food? I'll order it.
You don't know the will of God. A shining day. You don't know the will of God. Consigning day.
Ma'am?
Destiny can be delayed. But
Madam? Madam? Sorry, ma'am. I'm done with the material.
Okay, keep it there.
Okay.
Hello? I was just thinking about you. No, not that. I was just thinking about our conversation.
no matter what
Of course. Thank you so much. You're cooking. Are you joking or something? In your kitchen? Wow! So you're a good cook. How come you didn't tell me? This is amazing. Thank you so much. Thank you for everything. I appreciate. Thank you. Of course, definitely. Yeah, I'm still in the shop. Like in the next 2 hours. Yeah. All right. Thank you. Take care. Bye. What are you still doing?
Darling, we'll be traveling in 2 days' time for the party. Remember the party I told you about?
I know.
Baby, I'm sorry I disobeyed you, okay? It's just that I'm one of the sponsors for this party. I just certainly have to be there, okay? I promise you, darling. No, I'll never disobey you, okay? I'll never do anything against your wish.
I know.
I love you. Come on. I love you.
I love you too.
Are you okay?
Huh?
Babes.
I'm fine.
A Genzy fan, chicken someone mama. A crazy fan, chicken someone mama. What all if you're
she left today, oh, earlier this morning. Hey, Neka one is only keno. Let her go before she will kill somebody in this village. Nemo Biko. And where did he know? Let me rest. Let me rest. Yes. I want to go and visit that girl that she beat to a pub. Maybe buy her some drugs. What can I do, Juan? Hey, Anne. If she likes, let her go there and continue her Chelsea madness. And Ngwano. We will see now. You are coming to the all them way to Nemdalo. So I will have peace now. Hey, Chimo.
Chicken so is ready for the club.
Well done.
When they die for this kind of fun, I never see them before. If it not be Chelsea football,
I need water.
if it not be Chelsea club, if it not be football lover, if it the top another club.
Who be this again now? Who be this? Why these people dey? Which kind wahala be this now? Why na dey worry my life now? Wetin happen? Why na dey worry my life? If I get time for all this nonsense, abeg, I no wan stress for my life. I just block you. I block you and mama. Make her for rest. I block two of you. My see as una go take disturb me again. I go dey follow people talk something they no go hear. vacancy, housemaid needed. Ah, I dey feel am. I see my body now. Goosebumps dey catch me. I be say na my job be this. I be say na my job be this. Why you follow me? In fact, they don't take me already. Let me get the job. Oh, yeah, no need. It's not another person.
If you be Genzy fan, you want chicken, so go be best of friends. She's a crazy fan. Chicken so late. You want chicken, so go be best friend. She not the tire. Argument in her own. She's a crazy fan. Chicken so
That. Who they knock like that? Who be that?
Na me, sir.
You want scatter the gate?
No verse. Na the new house help.
I don't understand.
Na the new maid one I don't collect.
Which can't talk with that? You were?
Sir, no
You sure
verse.
say you were?
I will. I did very well. Now I dey speak with faith. They say if you speak, it go happen. And there is power in the tongue. Now that kind of thing I dey do.
Power in the tongue.
Yes, sir.
Ah,
Yes, sir.
okay.
So make I collect the job now.
Wait. Who removed this
Na
thing?
me, sir.
Eh?
Sir, I don't collect it. As I tell you now, I believe say this job na my own. So I just come out and so I no go drag am with anybody.
See this one. Are you normal?
Over normal dey worry me, sir.
You were?
Come on.
Like you're just coming and you have the audacity, the impetus to remove what me. You know how
Sir,
you know what thing I passed through to design that thing when I put there.
E never reach make you dey stammer. Because once you don dey stammer, once person don dey stammer like this, the vex don dey enter inside. Wetin I dey try tell you be say by faith.
You want insult me?
No, nah, I dey craze. I dey mad. Wetin I dey try tell you be say by faith I don collect the job. So make I no for drag the job with person. You know what? Workers back.
Wait, shift.
Your fellow worker.
Who be your fellow worker? You never come, you don't dey get mind today. Remove things. Where they
na exercise.
You sure say you go make this heaven? Are you sure you are going to make this heaven?
Sir, no be
this
you,
particular heaven?
no be you go be stumbling block for me now. As I dey see you like this, I dey reason you as colleague wey me and I go party.
Oh, really? So the insult no do you, don't they call me block?
No,
Stumbling
no be
block.
wetin I dey talk. I say make you no be.
Oh, you call it.
No vex.
Don't you know that when you are talking to me, you go dey talk to me with some level of respect. Do you know who I am?
My senior colleague.
You know who I be?
Now you be my senior colleague. No vex.
Shh, I'm not your senior colleague. I not be your colleague. I am the chief security officer of this empire.
I know they
The
agree.
CSO, chief security officer of this empire.
Na me be the chief maid officer.
Shut up. Nobody don't collect you. You have not, we never employ you. Now me go scrutinize. They sure before I go come tell Oga. If you talk nonsense, you go from here, they go.
Sir, no vex now. No vex. I know this. As you see me like this, I no be person. I no get wahala.
Respect me.
I no get wahala.
Respect me.
Over respect, now they worry me like this now for where
Or you apologize for the insult you don't give me. Tell me sorry, sir. Say sorry. Apologize.
No vex, sir.
I did not say no verse. Talk say, I am sorry.
I am sorry, sir.
Increase the volume.
I am sorry, sir.
Let the energy come up.
I am sorry, sir.
You just go get this job.
Sorry, sir.
Now they talk. Oh, you enter. Wait. No, they bounce. Waka gently.
I no bounce.
Oh, yeah, small enter.
Now, wow.
Wait. Let me go first enter. Oh, yeah, be coming. If you say what now why again, you go come out. Now just you supposed to they lawyer.
Excuse me, you say your name is what?
AKA Queen of Chelsea, AKA Stamford Bridge, AKA The Sky is Blue, AKA Blues for Life.
Only you?
Yes, ma. Yes, ma. That's how much I love Chelsea, ma. As a matter of fact, ma, I can die for Chelsea. As you see me like this, anything for Chelsea.
Hey. Not in this house. Nobody is dying in this house. We're just looking for a maid. Okay? Someone to make sure the whole house is clean at all times. That's what we're looking for. And I don't want these Chelsea jargons. Okay? You see, I'm a Man U fan. And you know Man United fans are calm and cool-headed. So this Chelsea madness around this house is unacceptable. Am I very clear? Are you listening?
I hear you, ma. I hear you, ma.
Good.
I hear you. About ma. Chelsea still a win Man U.
Are you serious?
For the fact that you like football, two of us are football lovers, I just give you updates.
I'm not a football fan.
Oh.
All right? Besides, you're here to work. And if you're not ready to do the job, you can as well leave so someone else can do it.
Hey, sir, come on. Box me, I box you, don't fight me, come, carry come. He never reach like that. I am ready to work, sir. As I did like this now, I need to work na me. Ready, sir. Forget all this. I still get strength, sir.
It's all right. You're welcome.
Hey, thank God. Hi, finally, chicken soup, you don't get job. Make I calm down. Make I breathe. Allow the poor breathe. Whoo! Ha! Hey! Hey!
Come on, will you take your legs out of there? Stand up! You alright? Are you okay? Are you sure you're okay?
I'm alright, ma.
Stand up. Get up. Get up.
Ma.
You say you can cook very well.
Come on, ma. Now me teach you the basi. I cook past you the basi. It shock you. Ma, if no be connection where she get, you know all these people dey Lagos and get connection. If not, na me for go that what is that? Guinness Book of Records.
You're talking too much.
Ma, but not true.
Okay, so I'll take you around the house, okay?
Kamso! How are you? I'm fine. I'm in the village now. Hey, I miss you too. You've gotten a job? Hey! You've gotten a job? Hey, Kamso, I'm so happy for you. House girl? In a big house? Hey! Kamso, I know you make me proud. I knew it. Kamso, please, remember all I told you. Please, don't go and form my hand though. You visit, I'll be waiting. Kamso, I'm happy for you. I'm happy for you. You need to see how happy I am now. Okay, no problems. No problems. Call me, not to tell me you will call me. Call me, oh. Bye. Kamso, I knew it. You've gotten a job. Oh God, I thank you. Kamso.
We are the Chelsea. We are the Chelsea. The champions.
Shut up.
Sorry, ma. The champion.
Hey! Hey, what is wrong with...
No, sorry, ma. I did not know.
You crazy girl!
Hey, sorry, ma.
How can you use your filthy legs to step on me?
Ma, na mistake.
Are you blind?
No, ma.
Or you have eyes and they're just useless?
No, ma. They use and see. No verse, ma. Na mistake.
Don't ever in your life try this again.
Yes, ma. It no go happen again. I'm sorry.
Nonsense.
I'm sorry, ma.
Go on with what you're doing.
Okay, ma. Sorry, ma. You know what will happen again.
You know what? Just get out. I don't want to see you. Get out! Get lost. Go and lock yourself somewhere. When I'm done here, you can come back. Go!
No problem, ma.
Come here. Come, ma. Gosh. You know what? Get my drink from the fridge. Then you just disappear. I don't want to see you in this house.
No problem, ma.
Ew. Yuck. Irritating girl.
They pour.
What? What did you just do now?
Ma, they pour.
You drank from my glass of drink?
No, ma, they pour. I say make I reduce them.
Are you mad? Are you crazy? Like, what kind of a person are you? How can you drink? Oh my God.
Ma, what did I do? They drink, they pour.
Shut up! You drank from my glass of drink. Did I ask you to reduce it? If it's pouring, so why are you putting your dirty mouth in my drink?
My mama, no dirty. Ma, I wash my...
Shut up! Now what am I supposed to do?
Ma, no verse.
Share the same glass of drink with you.
Ma, na better thing I do. I no do anything. No be talk away I carry for mouth. Na mouth. And I brush this morning. I no carry talk away for mouth. No verse.
You know, you're just crazy. You're unbelievable. I can't deal with you anymore.
No verse, ma. Make I bring another one. You no go drink this one again. Eh?
Just go. Go and get another one.
You don't want this.
Get out!
No verse.
Go! Oh my God, you're still drinking from it. Oh my.
Ma, but you say you don't want them again.
So go be best friend. If you be Genzy fan, you want chicken, so go be best of friends. She's a crazy fan. Chicken so late. You want chicken, so go be best friend. She not the tired.
Okay, babes, I'm all set to go. I promise I'll be back immediately after the party. Don't miss me too much. I love you so much.
Alright, I love you too. Just call me when you get there, okay?
Yes, of course. Take care of yourself, darling. You'll be fine, right?
Yeah, I will. Of course, I will.
Come here. And you take very good care of the house.
Yes, madam. Now the work we they do with that. Now our work.
Good. Now take the box in the car.
And Chikam, so hurry up so we get Mike and I something to drink, yeah?
Babes, are you not going to see me off?
I'll see you when you come back, okay?
Really?
I'm there with Mike.
All right, Mike. Take care. Bye, babes.
Bye.
Love you. Bye.
I need to love you. You showed me love before.
But bro, you've seen it all. You've seen it all.
I don't get it, Frank. I mean, you just allowed her go just like that.
What do you expect me to do? Come on, man. She should just go and have fun. There's nothing there.
Are you trying to say you trust her to that point?
I'm not talking about trust here. I don't think Nina will go there and begin to mess herself up. No, I don't think so. But this is not about trust anyway. Mm-hmm.
You got the maid?
Yeah, she came in yesterday.
Perfect. It's cool. Man, I just pray and hope you don't make a grave mistake with these your actions one day. Honestly.
I hope same too.
I'm just having a hectic day. I told you that before. Are you not coming again? You should have told me now. I've been waiting. Oh, babe, this is not funny at all. You're always picking on me and it's not nice. Waiter! Should have told me you're not coming. Ah.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon. Please, get me something chilled. Like malt, something soft.
Okay.
Alright, thank you.
That's so today na the game. Hey, Blues for life. Blue is the color. Football is the game. Blue is the color. Football is. I know they see again now. Did the light not too bad? Okay. Football is the game. Blue is the color. I know there's sports for here. I know they see. I don't understand this TV again. This one too big. Oh. Winning is a thing. Blue is the boss. Boss man. Well done, sir.
Chicken soup.
Yes, sir.
I'm stepping out.
Yeah.
I need you to take care of the house. Okay?
Okay. This night, sir.
Yeah.
Ha! Oh, no wonder you gouge. No wonder you pockets. It go to chill. It's so fine. Get hard. It's too fine. It's a worry you. See as you gouge. See as you package. Okay, go. Hey, boss, it's too fine. Come on, there, it's too fine. Okay, mama, man. Get it fast. Only you. Only you. Fine, when I give you, make you share. Give other 10 men. You carry them only you. They go run for you.
Chicken.
Yes, boss.
Are you alright?
I do okay, sir. I just hear you, sir. You're not going to echo. What? No, that's package. Hey! Okay, we're going
Well, like I said,
yes,
I'm stepping out.
okay, sir.
I need you to take care of the house.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
No problem, sir. All correct. Hey, sir, excuse me, sir. Are you coming back this night?
No.
Yeah.
Next season.
As in,
I said take care of the house and stop asking me silly questions.
no problem, sir. Hey, no, sir. Super sport. For help me change this thing before it come out. This thing they had me, man. This TV too big. Eh? The one with the village no big like this, so my channel now. And this game don't dey go. This game don't dey go.
I didn't expect to see you in this garden. Like, I'm so surprised. My
Really?
God. Yes.
Well, here am I, all the way from London.
Oh, that's good to know. That's good to know.
Yeah.
Good of you.
You know, I've missed most of my old friends, but more especially you, my baby.
Oh yeah, I miss everyone as well. And seeing everyone in the same house. I mean, all our old schoolmates. It's so cool. I feel good. Yeah.
You look dashing. Ageless girl. Sweet 16.
Anyway, I'll take it as a compliment. Thank you. You're not looking bad yourself.
You can say that again.
Mm-hmm.
So, what have you been up to? What's been
Just
going
been
on?
there.
So many crazy stuff in my life.
Okay. Just stop.
Come on.
Can you drive this car? Just start the engine and drive.
I will not.
You have to. Oh.
There we go.
Yes, my fiance.
Go ahead and sign.
Hi, baby.
Hi. I just got him something a few minutes ago. I went to see clients. Michael and I, yeah? Alright, then I'll talk to you after bedtime.
All right, bye. Chikamso, let me a glass of water. Hi. You home yet? Oh, in the estate now. All right, that's good. I just called to know how you're doing and if you were home yet. All right, I'll talk to you after bedtime. All right, bye. Chikamso. Chikamso.
Let's go back to meet our mates, please.
Come on, Nina. I came down to Nigeria because of you. I must confess. Seriously, it's not funny.
You're not serious. Certainly not because of me. You came back to Nigeria, please.
Now listen. Ever since I was added in that platform, you know, seeing and hearing your voice, it just takes me down memory lane. I don't know if you understand.
Dave, can you just stop? Stop it, okay? I have a man that I am in a relationship with. We're in love and we're getting married.
Oh, please, listen, but I'm falling in love with you again. I'm deeply falling in love with you again, Nina. Can't you see?
Okay, I think I've heard enough of this. Can we just move? Okay.
Nina, if that man is purely for you, he won't allow you to be here. I mean, with your old ex-boyfriend.
Oh, please.
He won't allow you to be here.
He trusts me, okay? What is wrong with the man allowing his woman to go and mingle with people and be happy? He wants me to be happy. Yes. He's not like other men or like you who want to cage their women.
Okay, but that's aside. What I'm talking about right now is my feelings. That is what matters.
Dave, we can't be having this conversation here. We certainly cannot. So please, I beg you again. Can we just quit talking and drive this car back to our mates?
All right. I will. Sorry about that.
Oga, no verse. I beg, no verse. I tell him. No verse.
Will you shut up?
Sorry, sir.
What did you tell him? No, I need to know what you tell him.
Sir,
how can you allow her leave the house by this time of the night to go and watch what? Football? How? Someone that just started working here.
I did not let her. I did not let her. I was outside. Before I go, no, she don't come. After you come out, say she won't come out, she won't go watch ball. I say no go. No go. Outside is bad. Darkness everywhere. Don't go. Something might happen. She don't agree. Before I go turn, gate just open. Now me come closer.
Hold on a minute. Is this what you're going to tell the police when they come to know what happened to her?
Police?
Is this what you're going to tell them?
Oga, why you don't bring police for this matter now? For this small thing now will happen. Police won't come. Leave her. She go come back. No call police.
Go and find out who's banging at the gate. Hurry up, go and find out who's banging at the gate.
Oga, if na this girl, wetin I go do? If na Chikamso,
What kind of workers do I have here, please? Huh?
Na so you do the waka. You go dey waka up and down. The waka, they go. Tell you tell which one be happen.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Oh,
Correct, sir.
good evening, ma.
Sir, you're welcome, sir.
Yes, the madam of the house. You're welcome, welcome. How was the match today?
What? Today on enter 2-0, 2 pack.
Now we give them. We for even score more. If you see wetin as striker just dey shoot, they go their next, they shoot, they go their next. Now the keeper wey dem get na save them. If not be their keeper, God, boss will for spell their name.
Will you shut up?
Sir?
Will you shut up?
Let them look me.
2-0. What the hell do you mean by that? You left the house in the middle of the night and you're just coming back? After 2 days of resuming work in my house.
I no comot by no be middle of the night o. Okay, na 8 o'clock match be this. As e be, that way you comot already don dey go to 8. Now they find the station for TV. As I no see am, now come so okay, ma comot outside, see whether I go see any gaming center. Make it for no spoil for my side, you understand? As I move out now already don dey pass like 20 minutes. And the match na 90 minutes.
Chikamso, what if something happened to you out there? Huh? What would be your explanation? You call my name? Is this how you plan to get me into trouble?
Oga, no vex, I no reason am like that. But God forbid, nothing go happen. I know the reason. Na city na I believe say everywhere secure. So you be better person na. How go put you inside trouble na? I no fit put you inside trouble.
Will you get out from here before I get angry now?
Come on now, Oga say come on. I go dey tell Oga say na midnight now come on.
You say wetin? Get out! Will you shut your mouth there?
Sorry, sir.
Who give you the permission to talk to her like that?
No, I just dey tell am say
I said shut up!
Sorry, sir.
Why would you let her leave the house at that time?
Sir, I did not let her.
Shut up!
Thank you, sir.
2-0. What nonsense.
Now so, she just...
That's how you all put people into trouble for harboring you guys.
Try. You see him? Now he don't come for my head. 2-0. This I don't say this girl no be better person. This girl no be a better person. I talk am. You know go stadium. Go stay. This girl, I tell you say you go put me for trouble. You say?
This way they do no good.
Stop am o.
Since I come this place, they do it. You say me. Wetin dey worry you? Why go down till midnight?
Is it that problem wey carry for your village come here? No carry come meet me o. No carry come meet me
Now
o.
you get problem. After I go come beg me meet.
I ask you. I say.
Where you ask? Let me even show me where I go watch the match because I no want catch you.
I talk am from the first day. I say this heaven, you no go make. You see this heaven, you no go make am.
You see heaven, they go back door for your face.
You see you.
Shey you go come beg me. I go tell you say na me get power
Which
for this
meat?
house. You want bet? You want bet? I tell you na my nyash go chop this time around.
You see this your nyash kwano? I go chop am.
You no go even see am.
I go chop am.
You no go see am.
No worry.
See if not so I buy.
I no need your groundnut. Go carry am go. Nonsense.
I don't tell you why I go get.
I blame you. Don't worry. Now God go judge you.
Now God go fire your nyash. You lie.
It is 4 days, oh, and Chikamso's number is not connected. I am worried.
Do you know that she blocked me?
Huh?
Yes, she blocked me because she don't want to be reached.
Are you saying Chikamso blocked me? Or no, I'm not sure. She cannot block me now.
She did.
Maybe is a. Are you sure my daughter is okay?
Sister, she's fine. She just don't want us to reach her. But wait, which city will she go to?
How will I know? I came back from church and her bags are gone. She didn't tell me, but I'm sure her friend will know.
Okay, no problem now. I'll try and find out from her friends.
Hey, Chineke. I just hope nothing has happened to my daughter.
Oh, sister, stop panicking. She's fine. Nothing is wrong with her. She's fine.
Chikamso is all I have. She's my only eyes. She's all that I have.
I really liked you. You're a good guy.
Whoa. But we just started this relationship not quite long. I mean, how do you know that I'm a good guy?
I know. Don't bother asking.
Well, it's okay. So, how was the day today?
My day was fine. I'm happy to be around you.
Really?
Yeah.
You know, each time I'm with you, my heart wants to jump out from my chest just for you.
Wow, are you serious?
Very serious. Don't fall.
Yeah. I want to ask you something.
Go ahead. Feel free.
Do you have anything to do with chicken soup from Umudim Kingdom?
I told you before that I have interest in her. But she threw everything off. So we are no longer together.
Why?
Well, according to her, she said that I am not a Chelsea fan.
It's crazy.
Very crazy.
It's crazy how she loved that club so much.
You don't know Chikamso.
Eh?
She is a die-hard Chelsea fan. You know, the way she is, going about everything is really crazy. I'm telling you.
This is serious.
Very, very serious.
It's been long I saw her though.
Me too. Look at your head. I'll start plating your head.
Is it?
Hey, Tina, how are you?
I'm fine though. Is she your new girlfriend?
Oh yeah, she's my new Ferrari. I'm tired of Benz.
Yeah.
Ferrari?
Yes.
Okay. She's fine though.
Yes, no.
Wait though. Are you not from Umudim Kingdom?
Yes.
Okay, and you are the one dating Izuna, right?
No. I broke up with him long time ago. I'm no longer with him.
Hi. It's no good now. How can you be lying? Eh? But I saw you last night at a joint with him now.
That's not true.
Okay.
That is not true, Tina.
Yes.
I thought I saw her.
I was actually with her yesterday night. So it's not her that
Eh.
Yes.
You were with her?
Yes, I was.
Okay, sorry.
Keep talking.
Bye-bye.
Titi. How you feeling? Oh?
Have fun. Right. Bye-bye.
Titi. Bye.
That's sure. Gossip.
Don't mind her.
Don't mind
See,
her.
I want to start plaiting your head.
Are you serious?
Yes.
You mean my hairstylist?
Come. I want to take it.
Where's everyone? How come they left my shop open? Hello, baby girl. I'm super excited. Babe, you can never believe this. Of course, I'm engaged. I'm getting married. Babe, I didn't see this coming. I swear. You thought I was joking, right? See, I'm the happiest person right now. See this one, eh? I go hold him tight. He's going nowhere. I'm using my woman power to hold him down. Okay. Okay. No, you come. I want you to come to the shop. Let's pop some champagne. All right, I'm waiting. Okay.
Ma'am?
Where have you been?
I was at
Where's Tina?
You sent her to go and get Gumster.
Gumster, and you went out too?
No, ma'am. I was hanging around.
See, today is my happy day. My happiest day, in fact. Don't come and spoil it for me, okay? I'm very, very excited. I want you to go to Chikamso's house. Tell her to come with you to the shop. Hey, I have forgiven her, okay? What?
Ma'am, that won't be possible, though. Chikamso has traveled. She went to the city.
What? Travel? Travel to where? To see her auntie?
No. She has gotten a job in the city.
Don't mean it. A job in the city?
Yes.
Okay, can continue with what we are doing before.
I beg, no dey cap nonsense. We can't talk with that. Ma can't do anything. Can't do anything for where? For village. You said when they talk this thing, I be for mouth. Girl, listen. Where are they fine? Are they heaven? Now you say make I leave heaven. Why they come here fire? You know be enemy of progress like this. She tell you wait, you yourself when she send. Why you not tell her say madam you wicked? I go leave, babes. I tell you say I get room. If you see my room, if you see the big house where I dey, now you say I come they do anything for which tailor shop like that. Why they drink tea, they chop chicken. When she chop her shop, me I dey chop my chicken. At least we dey chop something. She na her shop, she dey shop. Me I dey chop chicken. They tell me nonsense. Wait, this tea hot. Na tea now. Oh, they there. You know what they call? No be that one. My oga say that one where you dey drink, no be tea. Now what they call that one? Na hot chocolate. That one na hot chocolate. Now this one now be the main tea. Milk there, mo. Why my mouth? I thought they cap. I dey eat chicken. I fill my mouth like this. Hold on. What's working? My mama, I don't block those ones. It is I be like who they play. Tell madam say na go. Hold on. My oga don't come back. What going to happen, sir? I'll call you back. Oga, sir, you do okay? Oga, sorry, you do alright. Oga. Oga, you dey fear me. What's happen?
I'm tired. I'm weak.
Mm-hmm.
Malaria,
Hey!
typhoid, all of them have attacked me.
Oga, you no need talk too much. Your body hot. Your body hot. Wetin I go do now? Oga, no worry. I go collect water from fridge. Na cold water now we dey take do am. Then I go go outside see whether I go see dogoyaro. I boil am for you, yeah? I dey come, sir. I dey come.
God. Chicken so.
Oga, sorry.
Chicken so. I'm so tired.
Hi. This water cool well, sha. Cool. Oga, sorry. Carry your makeup, make I. Sorry, na cool water. Na wetin you need now.
God.
Na wetin you need. Sorry. You dey feel am, abi? You dey feel am?
Yeah.
No worry. Just move your.
Chicken so.
Oga.
Can you please fix me something to eat?
You dey hungry?
Yes.
Okay. No worry, make I just do small.
Chicken so. Go and fix me something to eat, please.
Oga, this one guy really hold you. But na better thing. They say sickness we never reach for mouth, never serious. That means say we fit still find solution to the sickness.
Oh yeah.
Abi whether you go start with the chicken. Okay, you go eat chicken.
No.
You no go chop chicken.
Chicken so go and fix me food, please.
Okay.
Hurry up.
Okay, make I dey come, sir. I dey come. Oga, sorry, sorry. I don't dey call madam since. She no dey answer her call. I believe say maybe she no know say her phone dey ring. When she see am, she go call back, I go still dey try am. So wetin go happen now be say I go buy medicine for you. Make I go buy medicine so that when I come back, I go cook. As I dey cook finish, you dey chop, you dey take medicine. Yeah?
Chicken so.
Eh?
Please don't forget to tell them exactly what's wrong with me.
I go tell them. You say na cold dey catch you, then they get fever. In fact, na malaria and typhoid, no worry. Yeah, na malaria and typhoid, you no fit pass like that. Once I reach there, I go tell them, still tell them how e dey do you. I dey come here. Only you dey house now, I dey come here. No turn, no make you no go for here. I dey come, sir.
Girl, what are you talking about? Your ex-boyfriend. He wants you guys back. Calm down. See, whatever you're doing there, just keep it on the low. Let it be a secret, okay? Babe, I understand now. I do. Okay, if the both of you can't keep it, you force more. On our phone. Do you understand? After you went there to have fun. Come on.
I want to go back. I want to go back to my man. I'm really getting tired, okay? And I don't like the way I'm feeling. The feeling, the connection is too strong. I'm afraid I may fall into a temptation and I don't want it. I don't want to cheat on Frank.
Keep it on the low. Frank would know about it. Just do your thing. Nobody would know. Are you a kid? Is it not fun you went there to have? Have the fun to the fullest, then bounce back.
The way Dave is going, he's coming hard on me and I'm getting weak. I don't like it. I don't want to do anything that will make me feel guilty before Frank. I don't want to cheat on my man. I need to leave. If I don't leave here, I'm afraid I might fall into temptation. I might do something I won't be proud of. I didn't know I had this kind of, soft spot for this guy. It's been a long time. I'm just realizing that I'm having some feelings for him. I don't like it. I don't.
My girl, just do your thing, okay? Have fun. Okay, my love. Yeah. Rubbish. Nonsense. You think I will not support you? I will support you. Go and have a carnal knowledge with your ex. I will support you. Every time Frank this, Frank that. Frank took me to this place. Frank took me to that place. Frank bought this for me. Frank is the cutest man on earth. You don't know how bitter I am hearing all these things. You don't know how irritating all these things is to me. It gets to my last nerve. I pray that guy will give you STD. STDK. If he gives you STD now, you go and infect Frank. And I like Frank. No. That one is too much. Pregnancy. Pregnancy would be nice. Because I don't understand how someone who is engaged would travel just for ordinary party. And she's going to spend 3 days. Hey. Hey. Now, Ashawo na in dey your eye. It concern me. What's my problem there? Do your thing. Do anything you want to do. Slay mama. Rubbish. I'm big.
I will not take this call. I just can't take it. Can't take it. I can't take this call.
I don't tell una. When I know they call me. Madam, no vex. May no be like I talk to you the way you know like. I no fit leave the job what they do. I no fit come back home. Even if I won't come safe, I no fit come. My oga no well. My very good oga, wonderful man no well. And in girlfriend don't leave and go. So even at that safe, even if the man well or everything they happen for village, I no come, I no need them. Even if they want dash me 1 billion naira, hold am, I no do again. You say make I no wear Chelsea jersey, make I no work for your office again. I say no problem. I no go work for your workshop again. I no go learn again. Chop everything. You see that malt and milk and that mineral, chop am. Chop the money. I bet no call me again. Man, no insult you.
Hello? Hello? Nina, your man is unwell. And all you can think of is basically nothing. Yes, he tested me. Yes. No. Frank is not feeling fine. and you're out there having fun, as you call it. Let me ask you, Nina, who is going to take care of the house? Eh? Maid? Oh, wait. You guys have a maid now. She will take care of your man. My friend, you're living in the moon. See, whether you like it, you come back, or you leave it. Frank is... Hello? See, oh, hey, she hung up on me. Fine, I don't blame you. It's not your...
You showed me love.
Hello, Amaka. Babe, where are you now? What's keeping you? All right now. Okay, be fast. I'm waiting. I'm in my office. All right.
Even her mom don't know her whereabouts. And me, I don't know. Can you imagine? She blocked me. Me, Amaka.
Honestly, Amaka, I wouldn't have checked her out of my shop. Honestly, I didn't do well.
Wait, what is this sudden change of heart? Why are you suddenly feeling guilty? Or is there anything I don't know about?
You don't understand. Honestly. If I had known, I would have allowed her to live her normal life. Honestly, I didn't do well as a boss. I did not.
Wait.
I just wish she can come back.
Wait, are you missing my niece for real? Eh?
I mean, you will not understand, I swear. You will not.
Okay, oh. She blocked me. Okay, I will never try to contact her. Let her live her life the way she wants. I won't, oh.
I'm even surprised that she blocked you.
I really don't mind her, Joe. How is business?
My sister, just managing, pushing it. It's not easy.
Yes, so you know the way the country
Your
is.
outfit, you have not paid your money complete. Oh.
I don't understand. I mean, are you whining?
You're looking fine.
I'm happy for you on your engagement. So let me see now. Hey! Oh my God! Oh God! God, I'm praying for this. I'm tapping the blessing. Oh.
You don't need to worry yourself. Yours will come.
Amen. Oh.
So we are planning. Hello, baby. How are you feeling? Have you taken your drugs? Oh, okay. Your maid? That's fine. Baby, I'm feeling weak. Yes, once I'm done, I will come to the house. Once I close from the shop, yes, I will come to the house. Baby, I have to be worried. You're not feeling fine. I have to come and take care of you. There is no other person there with you except your house help. Are you sure? You're sure you'll be fine? Promise me you're going to be fine for me. You promise? All right, love. I'll see you tomorrow then. Be good, okay? Love you. No. You know I love you more. All right. See you tomorrow. Bye. Ah, goodness me. So tired.
Oga, try make you drink more, eh? Try make you drink more. The man say you need to eat well, so that the medicine no go worry you if you take them. Yeah?
I can't eat. I don't have appetite.
Oga, try find am now. Find appetite now. Find am now. You need to eat. You never eat anything. I cook ofe egusi, pound apple for you, make you for chop well, so that even if na 10 you chop, it go full your belly. Once you take medicine, it go dey. Eh? See all the medicine wey dem give me. See. medicine. E plenty now. Now why the man talk say you need to chop well. Say if you eat well before you go take the medicine, so that e no go affect you. You go try find appetite. Find am make you for fit eat. You hear?
I'm cold.
You dey cold?
I'm so cold, Chika. I'm just cold.
Oga, I don off AC. AC no dey on no. No wahala. Now why you suppose drink tea? Drink so that when you drink your body go hot. Your body go warm well. If you enter your body go charge am up, everywhere go warm. The tea hot well, touch am. You know e hot now. Or if this one no work, I go still go carry wetin they call am pan, come put firewood inside, do am the way we dey do am for village. Those harmattan period wey ezigboto ogoro na-akụ, agbanye ọkụ na pan, tinye firewood n'ime ya, set it on fire, everywhere go warm. E go work. We dey even use am for person when they get fever. Before they go come put your face for pots where they don't boil leaves inside.
So no. Don't burn my house, please.
Oga, no worry. I know they burn house.
Burn down my house.
No worry. Get as we dey take do am.
So I said no.
Okay, no problem. We gonna drink tea. Try make you drink. This one go help you.
I don't want that tea. I'm tired.
Oga, see, I tell you something. This way they do no good. I tell you, this way they do no good. If no be saying you be my oga, say na you they pay me, say na you they give me salary. Now for don't beat you, carry this tea, put for your mouth. Now this thing where you they do, now they take to one on wazion, na to one on a wuni hati ni me. Where bread a faba ni oba half for etinye hogu ni me and who are there? How can you adults like you they sick? They say make you take medicine, make you for day okay. You say I want to day okay. If you don't take medicine, I want to day okay. No verse, sir. It be like sir they shout, no verse. But they pay me. I know see they be. I know agility where they do your body. If you do okay. But as you lie down like small picking. I'm gonna take food, you say no. Take medicine, the same bar. No worry. Make you eat so you go fit dey okay. Chop and well. You need to enter your mouth well. Open your mouth. Cherry man paniti angwa. Nah. Open them. No stop am. No stop am. Put am there. Make they enter. Leave am make he enter. Leave am make he enter. They feel am abi? Ngwa chere. Ko kikuda. Ko breathe. You don't breathe. Oh yeah. Ngwa. Ogwago.
I need to leave early. My fiance is sick and the housemaid called, so I have to leave.
Come on, you don't have to. Huh? Come here.
I'm serious. I have to.
But I miss you already. Come.
Oh, stop.
Come.
Chika,
Sir?
Don't worry, okay? Don't worry.
Oga, sorry. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Might bring water. You know what? Just no worry, The medicine go work. The man tell me say it go take time before he enter your body finish, but it go work. Yeah? Go do alright. Ndo. You sure say you put your neck well? Wait, make I see. I carry your head off. Now put, maybe like down well. Sorry, sir. Sorry. You do okay now, Abi? Maybe now make you in the cough. You know, say if you put your neck somehow, it will affect you. Sorry, sir. Sorry, I go see the try madam number. No be she. I don't tell this girl, they call me again. I by forced to work for shop. They call my number. They call my number again. Block. Sir?
My God, though.
Oh, okay. Now God, you they call.
God,
Oga, sorry. Sorry, sir. You need anything?
Water.
Eh?
Water.
I dey come. Oga, see water. Sorry. Yeah, come, make you drink am. Sorry. Easy, yeah. Easy. You don't do okay. You don't want again.
Thank you. Chikamso.
Sir?
Why are you laying on the floor?
Okay. Oga, say make I lie down here so I go dey close to you. Because you know say my room dey down. If I dey down, if you need anything, I no go know. Just like you need something now. If to say I no dey here, I for no know. Now make me lie down here. E no good make them leave who they sick alone.
It's alright. No, don't worry. Just go back to your room. I'll be fine.
Oga, no now. How I go take no say you need something? I do okay. No worry. Say na grand, that one na normal thing. For village, na for grand that they lie down.
Chikamso, I say go back to your room. I'll be fine, okay?
Oga, get a CBO. They know they leave person where they sick alone.
Go back to your room, Chikamso, please.
Yes,
thank you.
Okay, sir. Okay. You sure say I make a day here. I do okay. For village and for grand that they lie down. Oga, in case you need anything, make you knock. Make you use your leg kick or take hand knock. I go here, Rami, yeah? Eh? Oga? You don't sleep.
She's now a different person. She is no more the same. She have changed.
Still wanna go?
You are no more the same. You have changed.
Let me see.
You have changed. She have changed.
What is it? Come on, shut up. I love you. And I won't stop loving you.
Oga, sorry. Oga, sorry. Sorry. You know what happened? Make a go boy water come. Now hot water you need, make it melt your chest, yeah?
No, Chikamso, I'm fine. I'm fine, okay? Have you tried reaching my fiancé?
I don't try tire. Now since morning I don't call her number. Immediately you don't see. I don't try her number. They try her number. So I talk to you now. The kind of scores I don't give her, man, it don't reach like 500. You know they pick. I don't understand this kind of thing.
It's alright, Chikamso. It's alright, it's fine. Just go to your room.
I don't understand. Even now, before I come, I still call her. If he don't sleep, Sha. If he don't sleep, now like 2. Hold on. Hey. You don't late well, Oga, na 2:45, 9 be this. You don't late well. If you don't sleep, I will still call him in the morning. Sir. No problem, sir. Oga, you sure?
Chikamso, I'll be fine. Just go to your room.
Oga, with this kind of food they come, man stay here now, beg. I go lie down for food as I lie down before.
Please, just go to your room.
You sure?
Yes.
You go do okay?
I'll be fine, Chikams.
Okay, now, no wahala. Yeah, now, good night, eh? Good night. My Oga, good morning, sir.
You up so early?
Oga, I say make I wake up early so I go fit do your food. So you go fit take your medicine. You know, say, as you take am, the more you dey take am, the more you dey get better. So that when you don't eat finish, I go fit go dey do other things what I want to. You know, say today na Saturday. How you dey now? Not to eat the food now.
I'm better than yesterday.
Yeah, thank God. Thank God. Thank God. But the cough not to worry you, Abi. I hope he let you sleep small.
Yeah, I'm fine.
Yeah, Ndo. Even me, I no sleep. Oga no sleep. As I leave you for this room, that time when you cough finish, where me and you talk finish as I go, I pray I enter. Because Oga me, I dey very spiritual. I know they just look things for normal eye. If you see the kind casting and binding what I do. Oga, because this cough and the fever where you say they worry you, all this malaria and typhoid where we dey always think say na normal thing. Some of them no be normal. Some of them they be attack. Attack now don't they get name? They go do attack, he go get HIV. Na attack na HIV. Attack na cancer, attack na malaria, na typhoid. If they get name, before you go now, you go just dey drink medicine, nothing go dey work. Now make me as I enter, say no be just the medicine, because the condition why I see you that yesterday, I fear. I enter prayer. Oga, I bind, I cast, I destroy. I say anywhere where they from send, even if na your village or na your mama. No, I don't mean say na your mama send her, but even if na mama send them or na papa send her, or na from their family, or na from their lineage, anywhere where from waka come meet you. I return them back to sender. Because Oga, see they see me like this, apart from say I like to watch ball, I like football. After football, the next thing I sabi do when I pray. If I pray here, everywhere scatter. Forget what you dey see you. Me na fire. Okunerere. Move. Ekwensu na onwe ihe na-eme no. If I start prayer here, Oga, no worry. With time you go sabi me. Na small.
Chikamso.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much for your care.
Oga, you no need to thank me.
I truly appreciate.
No problem, sir. Oga, you no need thank me. A better person you be. See, ma tell you something. As I tell you, I sabi Bible well. Anything we concern God, they hold me. God, they reward good people. He even talk am. As you be better person, God will send you better person. Now, wetin make God send me? Oga, he get person will be saved to say na you and ya dey this house. You can't dey sick. He no go even send you. If he manage buy medicine give you, no go pray. And the prayer and the medicine where you take nine run. You understand? So no need to thank me. Now my job I did do.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, sir. So what there? So when you don't chop finish, just knock something or try cough, make it loud. I'll come carry me, yeah? Don't just too stress yourself at the come. Oga no vex, you know, say you get waiting I be won't ask you. But yesterday as you come back, you dey sick. If you see you that yesterday, where you no even fit talk, you be like small pikin. I say make I no go add on top the one where they worry you. Now make me no ask since. Oga beg, you no get football for your TV.
Oh. I didn't subscribe to football channels. Yes. But don't worry. For your sake, I will. Okay? I'll make sure I subscribe to football channels so we can watch on the TV.
Oga no vex, you go pay for football channel because of me.
Yeah.
Hi.
Yes.
Hi. You know, see, now wait till I just talk now. Now you see they do. How God no go send me to you? How God no go give you who go help you? Oga, na me be your helper. And God know why he send me as your helper. Give you. No be say na me give you money as in as you dey sick. Now because of the good things wey you dey do. Oga be ezigbo mmadu. Obu onye kwuo ya panti adoka ibu ezigbo mmadu. Oga see. Nkari buchara gị now. For buchana for you now, but he will give you headache. Come on now, on the buzo. So ma leave you. I can give me a later. You go.
Thank you.
Ezigbo mmadu. Now God bless you.
Thank you so much.
You are healed in Jesus' name.
Amen.
Every evil sickness, I bind it in Jesus' name.
Amen.
No more.
Thank you.
Amen.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay. When you finish, I can't carry. Okay. Well done, sir.
What did you say you want to tell me?
Izuna, I thought you're dating Ify.
Yes.
Well, Eze is sleeping with Ify. Yes.
Tina, mba. That's a lie.
Ify always come to my village to see Eze. And sometimes they will even go to that hotel by that Oji road. They stand, most times they stand at the school road. Yes.
Wait. Tina.
Yes.
Yeah, Biko. Don't lie to me. Oh? You mean Eze? The same Eze I know.
See, do you think I'm lying to you? You don't believe me? Okay, wait. If you think I'm lying to you, you can come today to my village by 5 or 5:30. You see, you know that primary school road? That primary school road now, you can come there by 5:30 or 5 tomorrow. Then you will see them there. Wait, oh, that your girlfriend is a cheat. That your girlfriend is cheating on you. Be careful, oh. Be careful of infection. Don't say I didn't warn you.
Tina.
Yes?
If Oma is cheating with Eze, the same Eze.
Bam.
Thank you for the information.
You're welcome. Be careful, oh. Take it easy, oh, my brother.
Hi.
Chai.
Easy. Sleep with my girlfriend. Hi.
Mr. Ken, please. You have to calm down. I will face this.
I can't.
Mr. Ken! Please, I need your help. How can I get to Chikamso? I mean, any information about her. Where is she staying? It's important.
I don't know.
My friend, shut up. Don't lie to me.
I'm not lying to you. I don't know anything about her, honestly. I'm not lying to you.
You know, Mr. Ken is our best customer. Please, you have to help me. He's angry that I stopped Chikamso from coming to the shop. Please. I don't want to lose him. Please help me out.
Ma, if I know her whereabouts, I would have told you. I don't know anything. I don't know where she is. Honestly, I don't.
You're not even helping matters. What is wrong with you?
Honestly, Chikamso blocked me. I cannot reach her. I don't even know where she is.
This is serious. I mean, no trace of reaching her. Like, she didn't tell you where she was going to. Whose house or something.
I went to church that day. By the time I came back, I couldn't find her. She was already gone. Until now, I have not heard from her. You got her go? But I am sure she's communicating with her friend in your shop.
Yes. I know about that. But they have not spoken for some time now. Yeah.
But this one you're looking for her, I hope there's no problem.
Not at all.
My daughter can be anything, but she cannot steal.
No.
The only problem is her fighting.
and Chelsea madness.
No,
That's all.
She did not steal. She didn't.
Oh, Kamsikwa.
No, she did not. It's all right, Mama. I will keep on trying, okay? So, Mama, tell me, how are you coping?
I'm good.
Ooh. Where's the house help? Where's Chikamso? I haven't seen her since I got back.
She went out.
Went out? Who gave her permission? Did you send her on an errand?
Oh, she said she wanted to go see the match. Her team, Chelsea, is playing the match today, so she had to go to a viewing center to watch one.
What? She went to watch a football match. Your house help went to watch a football match and you gave her permission.
She said she would be bored watching it here, so she decided to ask for my permission, which I permitted her to. And she went to see the match.
Hello?
Hi.
Frank, do you even know what you're saying? Are you listening to yourself? We're talking about a house help.
Does this sound funny in any way? I don't get it.
Not just funny. It sounds ridiculous. Strange.
There she is.
Madam! Hey, madam, welcome back. Welcome.
Hold it. Hold it. What is wrong with you? Are you even normal? And who is your madam? Why are you so foolish?
Madam Nube, so you know be my madam again.
Frank, I need some explanations here. I need to understand what is happening. I don't understand it. How can you allow your house help go to watch a football match?
Madam,
explain the kind of relationship you have with your domestic staff that allows her to behave anyhow, go to watch a football match, and come back anytime she wants. What kind of relationship is that? What is happening in this house?
Madam, no relationship, oh, no verse. I beg you, they quarrel.
You know what? I'm having a headache. I need to take my drugs.
Are you walking out on me? I'm asking you a question. Frank, come back here.
Hey, madam, no they shout too much. Or God no well, oh, make you no go faint.
Now you shut up. Okay? Shut your mouth. How dare you? How dare you talk back at me? I'm having a conversation with my man and you dare to interfere?
No verse, ma.
What is wrong with you?
No verse.
Get out from here. Get out!
That's not why it will be like this.
Hey, come back here.
Eh?
What did you just say?
Madam, I know they talk for person back. I thought, sir, I understand why it be like this. Now because say we win on her. You understand? Man, you collect 4-0.
God punish you.
Madam, you speak broken enjoyment.
I'm told that will fire you.
Madam, the game is sweet.
Get out from here!
4-0. You see game.
What is happening in this house? What is this? A house help? Oh my God.
I'll be on my way going.
You want to start going? So fast. That's by the way. Are we still seeing tomorrow?
Will you accompany me to the market? I'll be going to the market to get some food stock for my mom.
There you go again. So tell me, you want me to accompany you to the market?
Of course, yes.
Yeah. You know you are my new Ferrari.
Yeah.
So I will go anywhere you want me to go with you.
Thank you so much.
Oh, very good.
Is it? Eh?
So it's true. Is it? What are you doing with my girlfriend?
Who is your girl?
Ify. Ifola. This is what you are doing to me.
Who is your girlfriend? Are you talking to me or someone else?
Hi.
I've told you we are no longer in a relationship. Are you deaf?
Ifola. I thought it was a lie. Eh? I thought it was a lie. I knew Eze. So in this whole village, is my own girlfriend, Izuna, that you chose to collect.
Now listen to me, Izuna. She has made it clear to you that it's over between both of you.
Eze, my love.
Boo boo.
Please come and see me off.
Let's go.
Eze, you kill me off. It's either you kill me today or I kill you.
Izuna, you are daring me.
Please,
You are daring me.
Eze. Eze.
Just leave him.
You kill me here today. Eze, kill me.
Please don't.
Eze, kill me.
You
kill me.
This baby boy, you not take your sick body away from here.
Oh, okay. Ifoma, you are insulting me. It's today that you know that I'm sick, eh? Eze, you will kill me. This one,
me?
No, I came to see it with my 2 eyes.
Go and look for who will kill you. Certainly not me.
Eze, kill me.
Are you not ashamed of yourself?
Kill me.
You are fighting your followers because of a woman.
Kill me.
Eze, please, don't.
Kill me. If not that you are not feeling fine, I would have dealt with you now.
Eze.
Maybe let's leave this.
God punish you. Ifoma. Kill me.
Baby boy.
Easy.
You now own a jersey? I don't understand it, Frank. You don't watch football? You don't know anything about football. It's even customized, like your name is on it. How come?
Chikamso gave it to me as a recovery gift. I was sick for 2 days.
What?
Yeah.
Chikamso, the house help, got you a jersey?
Of course, it's a harmless gift.
A harmless gift?
Yes, babe.
Chikamso got you a jersey and you say it's a harmless gift? Oh my God, are you serious? You even have the mouth to call it a harmless gift. What is wrong with you? Are you listening to yourself? Your house help got you a jersey.
Yes, Chikamso got this for me. How did you get hold of it?
Frank, are you out of your mind? Your house help, we're talking about your house help, got you a jersey. And you're acting like it's nothing.
Of course, baby, it's nothing.
It's nothing.
Nothing to it.
Your house help, they enter your eye, Abi.
What?
Should they enter your eye, right? Okay. You will see I will do my worst in this house. You want to embarrass yourself, right? I will help you. Just watch me and see what will happen.
Babe, it's not what you think.
Nonsense.
Babe?
The sky is blue. The sky is blue. Madam.
Chikamso.
Yes, madam.
So you have forgotten what brought you to this place. You have forgotten your duties and you're doing something else.
I don't understand.
Who bought this rag?
Oh, nah.
Are you mad? So you've gone out of control. Are you insane?
I don't understand.
Who asked you to buy this jersey for him?
Madam, nah, I don't carry anything for mind, though. I do can say as Oga just dey recover.
Shut up! Shut your mouth! Now you listen and listen very carefully. This is the first and the last time you will try this nonsense in this house. Are you listening to me? I will not take this nonsense. I will deal with you. I will mess you up. You don't know me. Okay? You see this thing you bought? I will burn it.
Eh?
I will burn it to ash.
Don't try am. Don't try am. Go wait.
How you go burn am? Excuse you? Are you just talking back when I'm talking to you?
Sorry, no verse.
You have really grown wings.
Madam, no dey verse.
I am talking and you're even standing up from your seat and raising your voice at me.
Madam, no verse. This is a harmless gift. Where you come spoil and pass and where you put born and Chelsea jersey inside one sentence. How you go born? Na abomination na. They know they born Chelsea jersey. They know they talk am. They know they even talk am. You get where you go talk am now. They go gather hand for you.
I will burn it. And I will make sure you watch me while I do it.
You mean am?
Yes, come. Come. Follow me.
You go burn Chelsea
Come
jersey.
and do your worst. I will burn it. I will burn it. Why are you standing? Come. Fool.
Ha! Ha! Chikamso, hold on. Chikamso, calm down. No do pass yourself. No do pass yourself. Don't let devil use you. Emina Kira. Hi.
That girl has to leave this house. Baby, are you listening to me? What's even her name? Chikamso or whatever. The girl has to leave this house today. That stupid girl will leave this house or I will leave. Can you imagine that wild animal try to attack me?
I didn't see her try to attack you.
Really?
Yes, really. And if you want to leave, you can as well go ahead and leave. But asking me to send my domestic staff, Chikamso, away is a lie. It's not happening. I'm sorry.
Frank?
Yes.
Did you just say this to me?
Oh yes, I just did. So what?
Okay. Hold on. I was the one that initiated the idea of a maid, right? Good. I don't want her anymore. We don't need a maid. Whatever the chores are in this house, I will do it. I'll do the washing of the plates. I'll clean the house. I'll do the laundries. Whatever it is. To keep the house going, I will do it. We don't need the maid anymore. She has to leave now.
Oh, newsflash. If you like, wash this house in out. Turn this house upside down. I don't care. That era has passed. Yes, you brought up the idea of getting a maid. And God sent me a caring and loving maid. I will not send her away.
God in heaven will punish me for doing that. I'm done doing your bidding.
Frank!
Don't frank me.
Frank!
She's now a different person. She is no more the same. She have changed. Pretender.
If no be one thing. I swear, if no be one thing. If no be one thing. Ma hold myself. Ma just maintain. This woman get luck, say no be village, she try this nonsense. No wahala. If no be one thing, I swear, I for beat you, your spirit will come out. I for beat you, beat crates come out for your body. You see that evil spirit that they worry you, I will beat them out. I cannot beat him, I call myself bastard, idiot. When you I suffer, you to buy Jersey, now I born. I suffer buy Jersey, print name put. Man mumu born am. Man you they born Chelsea Jersey. You get luck.
Chikamso,
Oga.
I'm so sorry for that outburst in there. But I just want you to know that I stand with you. Alright?
Oga, now you are the look. Oga, I swear, with the God of Chelsea, now you are the look. Because on the normal, this woman try this nonsense. If you don't treat her fuck up. If you don't treat her fuck up, treat her well. That evil spirit when they inside and go drop out, you go dey see am, you go dey waka dey comot. Or maybe. You know, be like say I do bad thing.
It's alright.
I don't respect my oga.
Yeah. This is 50,000 naira. I'm sure it will be enough to get another one. Yeah? I want you to buy another jersey. Print my name on it. Henceforth, I'm a Chelsea fan.
Hey! Okay, talk again.
The sky is blue. Hey.
Sorry, no vex, na excitement. Blues for life. But don't vex. Just look up. Let me the color.
Leave.
Scatter my dada. Hey! It's too much. Sorry, no vex. Nah. No blues now.
Just do as I've said, okay?
No problem, sir.
Alright.
Again, yeah, that's what you want me to do.
No, nothing else.
Just that which way you carry put for body, say that girlfriend. You carry winch, say that girlfriend. I don't know why good people know they ever jam better people. But na me go save you. For this thing where you do, Oga, say you join Chelsea. You see that man mumu wey dey your house. I go make sure say she come out for this house. You can't pray, I go use pray. God of Chelsea go elevate am. No. Evita.
Hello, baby. Baby, what's going on now? Why are you avoiding me? You're not taking my calls. Baby, talk to me. What's going on? You didn't tell me you are fully recovered. Baby, it's not fair now. What you're doing is not fair. What's going on? What did I do? That is what you always say. You will call back, but you end up not calling back. But you... Hello? He ended the call on me. Jesus Christ. This one will not pass me by, yo. This is not possible. Jesus Christ, what's this? What's going on?
See who we have here. Hi, sugar. How are you? What is it? Come on, baby. How are you? You alright?
Can you just stop? I'm not in the mood.
I'll put you in the mood.
I said stop. I don't want you to put me in any rubbish mood.
What is wrong with you? Must we always fight in this house? Baby, you know I love you so much, right?
I'm not at war with anyone. I'm a very peaceful person and you know that.
Okay. I know what I did earlier today was really wrong. And I'm sorry. I'm sorry about my behavior. Okay? It's just that I'm so scared and jealous. I don't want to lose you. I don't want anyone to take you from me.
No one has taken me away from you. You need to stop this rubbish right now. When I say stop, you stop.
I knew it! I just knew it! I could feel it! You're cheating on me! You're having an affair with that girl. Swear. Swear you're not having an affair with that maid. She comes or whatever her name is. Swear.
If I'm cheating on you, Nina, you would not be here. I don't have time for that nonsense. Alright? So good night.
She's leaving. She has to leave this house. Because she's so arrogant, she's rude, disrespectful, uncultured. She has to go. She's the reason why we're having this constant fights and chaos between us.
You know, she's the opposite of all of that you just said right now. Yes. And I say, she stays.
Is this what you have to say?
Oh yes! This is what I have to say. And I advise you to go in there, take your bath, and go to bed.
Frank, you can't just walk. Is that what you're trying to say?
Pass ball now, guy. What did they worry you? Pass ball. This guy too they selfish with ball. Pass. Okay. Up. Oh. Which kind of wild be this? See, go where this one go chop. Pass game, guy. Pass game. You two they do selfish. I don't like this guy. Which kind of wild be this? Nah, you don't play ball. Go.
What is happening here? How dare you?
Madam, welcome.
Are you sitting in my chair watching television? Have you seen television in your life before? Can your father afford a television? You sit in my sitting room watching football. How dare you? I'm talking and you're still sitting there. Get up! I said stand up! Can you imagine I'm talking and you're still sitting down there?
What's happen? And a boy at the watch.
How dare you? Oh, I see. You have eaten the big frog, right?
Madam, I know they chop frog.
No, you're having an affair with Frank. You're sleeping with my man.
I beg, hold on, I don't understand.
That explains the impetus you have to sit in my sitting room and watch television.
I don't know where all these ones where they talk, they come. One, I know they chop frog. Two, I don't get anything to do with your girl. I mean, your man, as you call him. I know.
Shut up! You're talking while I'm talking. I am your boss. I am your madam in this house. So you don't dare talk back at me while I'm talking. I give you tomorrow to pack your things and disappear. Vanish. I don't want to ever see you in this house again. I've had enough of you.
Madam, now ball I watch you. Now ball, now sit down.
Now ball you watch you. Now me, you're talking to me like that. Ha! By the time you don't leave tomorrow, I will cut off these two legs.
On top say I watch football.
Get out! Get out. Leave
No
my side.
vessel. Now. Guy, pass ball now.
Are you there still talking?
Pass ball now, guy. Pass
I'm
ball.
talking to you. I will break your head with this bottle.
Don't dey para, you too dey hala.
Can you imagine? There is something definitely happening in this house I don't know. And Frank will explain it to me. What impetus?
If you like football, you and chicken so go be best friend. If you like football, you and chicken so go the talk. She's a crazy fan. Chicken so mama. If you like football, you and chicken so go be best friend. If you be Chelsea fan, you and chicken so go be best friend.
Madam, good morning.
What are you doing here?
I don't understand. I dey clean.
What did I?
I don't cook breakfast finish. Now make I clean so I can fit serve food for Oga.
What did I ask you to do yesterday?
Madam, you talk plenty things, so I don't remember which one.
I asked you to disappear from this house. To remove from this property. That was what I asked you to do. What are you doing here?
I don't know say you mean am o. And yesterday when you dey talk all those things, I think say maybe na because you dey para say make I leave and so women dey do. When we dem dey vex like this, we go dey carry talk plenty. But that way you talk, you said no say if you reason am, you no fit work. Na Oga employ me, no be you employ me, so you no fit fire me. Madam, I don't know which way you dey open eye up and down.
Really?
Yes, na Oga employ me. Na the person wey employ me, na go tell me say you're fired, you go stand. See, madam, no be say you just dey talk. Yesterday, you just dey insult me, dey insult my papa, dey insult my village people. I just keep quiet based on say you na Oga fiancé. No be say na anything. This madam wey I dey call you na just out of respect. Make I respect the woman wey dey live with the man wey get the house. No be say you be wife, wetin you be na fiancé. So make you no cross.
Are you trying to say I cannot fire you?
Na wetin I dey try talk, madam. You no fit fire me. Madam, no be insult o, but na as e be, na pure. You no fit fire me because no be you employ me. No be you employ me. And based on say two of us na woman, you get wetin I wan tell you. If you be my sister or my friend, I go still reason you this matter. You see this pepper body wey you dey do, this insecurity wey dey worry you, you just dey suspect up and down. Yesterday na ball I dey watch, na so you carry affair enter. Wetin concern affair concern ball, I no come understand. Madam, you gats to calm down as woman, make you for no lose this good man wey God give you. Because the way wey you dey do this pepper body, I swear if I be man, me and you no fit stay. Go treat your insecurity.
Oh my God, I can't believe this. I can't believe this is happening. You will leave this house.
No problem.
And if you don't leave this house, I will deal with you.
Madam, I no talk say I no go leave the house. No be my papa house. But the only thing wey I dey talk be say, if the man wey employ me, wey be my oga come now say Chikamso, you're fired. I pack my bag, find another job or go village. Or carry on car. You no pass like that. Or I go look for another job.
Is that it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, excuse me. Will you eat? Food already. Man said your man.
I need 300,000 naira.
Okay.
Just like that? Okay.
Yeah, just like that. When do you need it?
Today.
All right. I'll give it to you as soon as I'm done eating.
Are you cheating on me with the maid?
Nope.
So why? Why do you allow her have so much guts in this house? Why don't you see her excesses? Why do you keep her against my wish? Why? I mean, we don't even need her anymore. I can do these things. I can make lunch, dinner. I can do all this for you. I can wash, I can clean the house.
Oh, come
Just
on.
let her live.
Nope. Listen, you don't need to do that. Okay? You're my slave queen. The queen of my life. The queen of this empire. You don't need to do anything. All I want you to do is relax. Enjoy the money. Let her do what she's been paid to do. Alright?
But I want her to leave. I just don't want her around. I don't want her. She needs to leave.
Well, I'm sorry, that will be my decision to make.
If you're not seeing that girl, then you need to lay her off.
Alright, fine. I have something to do here. Yeah, I said it. She's my worker. She gets paid for her duties. I pay her. That's what I have to do with her.
She's now a different person. She is not more the same.
You know that girl has got so much guts.
Oh.
The maid, Chikamso, whatever her name is. She has become my nightmare.
My love, just throw her out of the house. Throw her out.
I want to. So bad. There's nothing else I want right now not to send that girl out of this house. But guess what? Frank is taking sides with her. Frank is protecting her. I'm so confused. I don't even want the wrong ideas to start getting into my head.
Frank is sleeping with the girl. If he's not sleeping with that girl, why is it stopping you from kicking her out from the house? Why? See, you need to threaten him. Tell him you'll, in fact, leave the house, pack your things and leave. Go to a hotel and pay for 5 days or 1 week. If he truly loves you, he will send that thing out from that house and come to you. He will beg.
You know, you have a point.
I know.
You have a point.
Do that and see if Frank would send that thing out from the house and come begging.
Oops.
Oh.
Dave.
Pick them. Come on.
Hello, Dave.
She's now a different person. She is not more the same.
Sit.
Pretend you are no more the same. You have changed.
I mean every single word I said, baby. I'm serious.
I can't marry you. I can't be with you. I love my man, okay?
Please. Why? But I'm in love with you. I love you and I want you. Can't you see? Baby, I love you so much. I mean, don't tell me you didn't have the same feelings the last time we met. I mean, the fabulous love making in the car. You were screaming and mourning my name all through.
Please, just, okay. I agree, I enjoyed the last time. But that was just a fling. That was just a one-night thing, okay? And it didn't get to my heart. Dave, I think you have to go back to the States. Go back to your base. You're making me lose focus. I need to concentrate on my relationship with Frank. I love Frank, okay? I love Frank. It's Frank I want to be with.
Baby, I love you. I want you. Please, give me a chance. And I know you love me too.
You need to leave. Go back to the States, okay? You're making me lose focus.
No, babe. I'm not.
What we're doing is wrong. I'm engaged. I'm engaged to be married. I don't know how else to make you understand this. Okay? I love my man.
Babe, I'm just here to give you time to think about it. And for you to still realize that...
There's nothing to think about. Okay? You just leave me the hell alone. Leave me alone. What is all of this? I don't want to keep regretting my actions and then falling back into your arms again. Leave me alone. If you don't, I may have to stop taking your calls. I'll stop talking to you.
Alright, I'll be here waiting and praying until you realize that you're your man. Seriously. Sweet Nina.
Yes! Yes! Let's go! Come on! Yeah, let's go! Let's go! Kill them! Kill them! Where to go? Kill them! I know you're Chelsea. Oh yeah, Chelsea fans. We will beat Chelsea like...
When they beat on a 2-0, you see they talk. Calm down! You guys experience Chelsea! You guys experience Chelsea! After when they get
Nothing is going to happen, my brother.
Okay, calm down. We'll go beat on a blue-black. You'll watch now. See. Oh, no.
Stand up!
Stand up! Oh! You're supposed to take this ball to the left now. Attack this thing.
What is this? Frank! What is wrong with you? Have you lost your mind?
We're just watching the match, yeah?
Will you shut up? I don't want you to utter a word. Shut up! Frank, are you trying to get at me or something? I don't understand what is happening here. She even bought you a jersey. She bought another jersey. How low can you come? You're watching a football match with this thing? With this house help? I'm talking to you.
Hey, why are you talking to me like this? Are you trying to embarrass me before my friend and his wife? Why are you talking like that?
Sorry, ma. Sorry.
Sorry.
You call this an embarrassment? Okay?
That was close.
Ah, got very close. As if not be that over the post where that guy kick. I don't even understand what they worry that. Sorry.
This is it. I've had enough. I've had it up to here. This is the height of it. I'm out of here.
We are Arsenal for a reason. Arsenal for life. I told you, bro. I told you. Babe, how are you?
Okay.
You support me. Arsenal for a reason.
Hey, I'm missing my daughter. Oh. How could she just block me from reaching her? How? Why now? I'm so big on now. Biko, call your mother. Your mother is missing you. Can I just stay like this? I'm so lonely. Very, very lonely. Hi, Chi, Biko, no, Biko, no. Everything I said it in anger. Forgive me, Biko. Please, forgive me. I wish to hear your voice. I'm dying to hear your voice, Chika. I'm so... Hi, God. Please now. Biko, no. Hi.
What? You're watching football? Baby, we need to talk. We need to. What you're doing is not fair. What? But I said I'm sorry. I have tried. What else do you want me to do? What? You will call back. Baby, I know you will not call back. You promise? I love you too. Alright, I'll be expecting your call. Love you. Alright, now take care. Tina.
No.
Okay. Are you sure with that measurement? Yes. And you're Nyechi. Please, you have to be fast. She's picking it up tomorrow. Okay. Tomorrow morning, 9 a.m. Please. I'm in my office.
Uni, our madam is engaged and madly in love with this man. Hey, I'm so happy for her, I swear. The other day, she was talking to this man. Hey, you need to see him. He's so handsome, so cute. Hey! Oni, are you not the one I'm talking to? Hey. Whatever. I don't blame you. Nonsense.
Brother, I know how you're feeling now. It's not good. Yeah? But meanwhile, you have to take it. You don't need to fight over a woman at all.
Ada, I've lost my girlfriend, my beautiful girlfriend. You know you advised me wrongly. You know, you advised me wrongly.
I know.
Eh? Now, Eze has carried my beautiful Ifoma. Is it good?
I know, brother. See, Ifoma did not love you from the onset. It's because of your money. Those small money that you used to give to her. That's the only thing she loved. Just forget about Ifoma, please. Forget about her, okay?
It's okay. She, I don't have power to fight. So I've let go. Eh? But it's paining me. Oh.
I know, I'm sorry. See, even though outsiders leave you, me, you know I'm the only family that you have now. The only sister. The only sister that you have. You know I cannot leave you. I cannot leave you to die.
It's fine.
I cannot leave you.
So let me I pray that I'll find another girlfriend.
You'll find another better girlfriend, a beautiful one for that one.
She has to be finer than me.
She will. She will. Seriously.
And she has to accept me the way.
She will, brother. She will.
I'm not going around again with Eze.
Nobody will try that.
If you really try that one.
No. For me, I'll use my hand and select a beautiful one for you.
So, if I can't fight with my power, I'll buy a gun.
You're not buying gun anything, please.
She's no way different, the same. She is no more the same. She have changed. Pretender. You are no more the same.
What's going on?
I've had enough. Okay? I've seen that you've lost it. Oh, I can see. You're enjoying yourself, right? I'm leaving. So I'll leave you with your house help to enjoy yourself. I mean, you can watch whatever you want to watch. Netflix, football, go ahead. I care no more.
And where are you going to?
I'm leaving. You see she's not going to leave, right? I'll leave.
Babe, just don't get on my nerves right now. Don't leave this house. Why are you doing this?
If I do, what will you do? I dare you. Frank, you'll stop me? What is wrong with you? Listen, until you get that nitwit, that lousy, crazy woman out of this house, then you call me, I'll come back. Look, can you imagine? You were out there laughing with her, drinking with her, and you say you have nothing to do with what's her name? Chikamso, or whatever her name is.
Heaven knows.
Liar!
Heaven knows she's just my maid. Just my maid.
Heaven kill you there. Chase her out there. That's what I'm asking. Chase her out! There's nothing I've asked you that you don't do for me. Is it money? Is it cars? Why is this particular request difficult for you to do? Why are you not asking her to leave this house? Well, since you want her, she's better than I am. Enjoy your stay with her.
Babe, let's do it this way. Let's. All right, fine. Why don't we just make her a day staff? She'll come in the morning and leave in the evening. How about that?
Bullshit. I'm not taking it. I want her out for good. I mean, look at her audacity. Look at the kind of pride she's exhibiting. Sitting out there with your friend Maid, drinking, feeling all good, and you sat there like a great boss. You're feeling like a great boss, right? You're now a Chelsea fan. You didn't used to like football. You didn't used to say all this football stuff. But now you're all over the place saying she's initiated you into her madness. You know what? When you're able to get that crazy woman out of this house, then you can call me back. Have a good day.
And where are you going? Where?
You showed me love before, and I know you will break my heart, and I know you just
Boss, I am sorry about everything that is going on right now. I am so sorry.
You speak Queen's English. I'm impressed.
Sir, I speak English, but I don't know about the Queen's English.
I just heard Queen's English right now.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Sir, I think it's high time I left your house so I don't destroy your relationship with your fiancé.
Hell no. Chikamso.
Yes.
You're not going anywhere. I don't want you to leave. It's high time you got your nose off my business and focus on why you're here. Alright?
Yes, sir.
If you have someone who stayed by your side when you were sick, weak, who did everything for you and made sure you were alright, and then the other person on the other hand, who's busy having fun wherever she wants to, not bothered with whatever is happening in your life, who do you think you should keep by your side?
Well, sir, the person who took care of you when
Good.
you were...
Good. Chikamso,
Yes, sir.
I didn't send Nina away. She wanted to go and she left. Her cup of tea. Okay? Anyways, I want you to get ready because this weekend I want us to go to London to see Chelsea play.
Sorry, sir. You say?
I said I'm working on your passport. I want us to go to Stamford Bridge to watch your team, our team, play. So go get ready.
Sorry, sir. Excuse me, sir. You dey whine me?
Why will I whine you?
No, nah. Boss.
Chikamso, I'm not whining you. I'm serious. You see for yourself this weekend.
Jesus.
Yeah.
Jesus.
Hey, Chikamso. What's the meaning of this? Chikamso. God. Chikamso. What was that for? What was the meaning of that?
Please tell me I was dreaming.
No, you were not dreaming.
It was not a dream.
No. What? Dream about what?
Me. London.
Yes.
Stamford.
Bridge. Exactly.
Football.
Chelsea. Of course.
Queen Eliza.
Elizabeth.
How?
Hey! Oh God. Stop. Hey, Chikamso.
If you like football, you want Chikamso go the talk. She's a crazy fan. Chikamso mama. If you like football, you want Chikamso go be best friend. If you be Chelsea fan, you want Chikamso go be best of friend. She's a crazy fan. Chikamso mama. Chikamso le. You want Chikamso go be best friend. She not the tired argument in
Boss. Good morning, sir. I'm fine, sir.
Why are you standing like this?
I can see you're ready to go work.
Oh yes, I'm strong today. I'm set to go back to work.
Thank God, sir. Sir, you know, say for my place, when you get people that they call on your own, the person we don't near death finish, see death. Now he can overpower them, come back. Those kind of people, they celebrate them. We no go just celebrate them, we also buy things, give them, still thank God for their life because easy.
Alright.
You know, say this sickness will worry you. No be ordinary. I know say that time why they talk am, as I dey talk am, you sef go dey look and say wetin this one dey talk, but na true. Like I tell you, malaria or typhoid or cough or fever, any name wey you like make you give am, they still send am. But you know God now, as I pray give am, you can't send am back to sender. Your enemy, na him go die, no be you. You hear? So, and I also want say, make I use this one also thank you for all those ones where they tell you say, drink medicine, you go drink, eat, you go eat. So now make me buy this one for you. To say, also make I take thank you for as you take the be better oga to me.
She comes.
Sir.
You got me a gift.
Yes, sir. You know better oga.
Oh my God. A jersey?
Yes, sir.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
And that's actually thoughtful of you.
Thanks. You're welcome.
Thank you so much for this.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much.
Yes, sir. Thank you. No, sir. I go let make you open and make you see. You get why?
Okay. Hold on a second. The Chelsea jersey.
You know say you be winner. Now winners jersey be that.
That's nice.
Yes, sir. No verse. So you get wetin I be wan do and make it for complete. Now that stupid boy why buy am for me hands. Now him come dey delay me. They tell me say na next week. Now I go write name put. I be wan write Oga Boss for the back. I be wan write Oga Boss, Oga Frank for the back. But the guy say na next week. I mean I no fit wait because na something wey I suppose do oko. But no worry, as you don't see am now, because I be wan show you make you see your gift. I come dey ask, e get another person wey dey tell me say the guy dey do him own sharp. As you carry am come, you do am. But I say I show you first this morning. As you go work now, I go rush go do am. Before you go come back, e don done.
All right then, maybe you just take this to him and put the name there.
No problem, sir. I go do am.
Thank you very much for this.
No mention, sir.
All right.
You like am, Abi?
Of course I do. I like it.
Now that one sweet me fast. Come on.
Come on.
Come on.
All right, I'm off to work now.
Okay, sir.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome, boss.
Good.
You're welcome.
All right.
Bye-bye, boss. Have a nice day.
Okay.
Bye-bye. Better. I too like this, my oga. The man no get problem. Correct man. We go carry this thing go back, make them put name for the thing.
Chikamso is ready for the club. When he dey die for this kind of fun, I never see him before. If you not be Chelsea football, make you go your way. If you not be Chelsea club, make you go your way. If you not be football lover, make you go your way.
Hi. My late father once tell me say, one day, Chikams, one day you go watch match. You go watch your club play against their opponent live for London. No, this one a dream. I dey dream. Hi! I no fit wait make weekend reach. I no fit wait make weekend come. No fit wait make weekend come so I go fit go there. Abi I dey sleep? No. Hey! I no go sleep this night oh. Wait. Today na Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Chai. How I could take do this? Do these days make them run. I want take do them, make them run, make them fast, make for do film. God. God. Baba God. God, na so you dey do am. Na this one be the sudden miracle. Na this one be the wonder. Na him be the signs. Hey! I no wan believe this one o. I still dey find am hard to believe say me wey be Chikamso. Chikamso wey be say nobody regard me. Based on say dem dey see me say I useless. So take my mama open mouth tell me say I useless. Chikamso go enter plane. Chikamso go London. Chikamso go see Oyibo people. Go Stamford Bridge. See all the players. Shake them. Snap with them. Hey! Na so you dey do. Na so you dey do. When I carry Chelsea for head, then things are dey craze. Wetin dey happen now? E pay, abi e no pay. Till I die. Till I kpai. Chelsea for life. Anybody wey no like am make e off transformer.
Kamso, what is it? Kamso, what did he say? You went to London to go and see Chelsea match with your watch. Jesus, it's like don't be your time. I'm coming for you, Joe. When? This Saturday. Hey! Kamso. I knew it that you would make me proud one day. Hey, Kamso, wait. See that guy that scored it? Wait, now let me talk. See that guy that scored goal last 2 weeks? Greet him for me. Send me pictures, so I'm happy for you, my friend. I'm the show. What about the shop with Biko? Yes, sir. I think my mother will say, bye, I will call you later. Hey, Kamso, God, I thank you. I knew it.
Good morning, ma. Oh yeah, why are you so excited?
Ma, Kamso just called me. Kamso said that the boss will be taking her to London this Saturday to go and see Chelsea match.
London?
Yes.
Are you serious?
Yes.
I thought you said you don't know her whereabouts.
Yes, ma. I don't really know her whereabouts. I only know that she's working as a house help in a big house. So I don't know any other thing about her.
Where exactly?
State capital, ma.
Asaba.
Yes, ma.
Oh yeah, I would like you to do me a favor. Get her information, her address. I would like to pay her a visit.
Ma?
Be fast. I'm in my office. Oni, please greet her for me. Tell her she should buy me nice things when coming back.
Who should buy you nice things when coming back?
Our friend Kamso now.
Tina.
What?
Tina, you are shameless. Tina, your shame is shaming me. The same Kamso you pursued out of this shop. The same Kamso you fought. The same Kamso you've been abusing. Should buy you nice things. Like, if Kamso buy something and give you now, you will take. Ha!
Only, but I said I'm sorry. I've apologized. I said I'm sorry.
Look, I don't have any business with you. Whether you're sorry or not is none of my business. You fought Kamso because of Eze. Eze, your so-called brother. You fought your fellow woman because of Eze. You hated Kamso cancel because of Eze. Ha! Fear!
I'm sorry now. And I realized my mistakes. I'm not going after Eze anymore.
You don't have a choice than to realize. But Biko, you see this space, I'm enjoying it. Day your day, let me day my day. It's a daying things. Okay, Nania, Biko, don't bother me again. I should tell cancel.
Now.
Hey, please.
Oni, please, I'm sorry.
Hello. Onye? Hey! Chikamso. Chikamso nwam. Hey! Nwa iseke nne gị. Nwilotem, you remembered me today. Chikamso, I have missed you. Eh? Eh? That you are going to Obodo Ibo tomorrow? London. Saturday. Next tomorrow. Eziokwu. Hey! Eh? Inokwa, you're going to watch your Blues play. Chineke mo. Look mo. My daughter is going to London. Oh, but now thanks, Chineke, thank you. You know your father said it. Your father said that your husband will take you to London to go and watch Chelsea play. I am quoting your father, it does not matter. He can be your boss, it does not matter. Hey! Up news! Chelsea for life, name. Hey, Chikamso is going to London. No evil eyes will see your plane. You will go and come back. And you will buy me my own Chelsea's kit. Yes, ma. Hey, Ezie. Okay. Let me be calling your mother now. Or let me be calling you now. I have missed you. Chimwa. Okay. Bye. Bye. Okay. Hey! Ọ bụghị ma nwa onye ga-enye m onye ga-enye m nwa m na-aga obodo oyibo London to go and watch Chelsea. Lekwanụ m Chelsea for life. Abụzi m onye Chelsea. Chelsea. Hey! Let them come and see my daughter. My daughter that they are talking about. Let them come and see her now. Oh,
are you a fool? Are you? I mean, who is influencing you so badly? Nina, what is wrong with your head? What is wrong with your head? How could you leave your man's house because of a maid? How could you?
A maid? You call that girl an ordinary maid? No, she's not. I asked Frank to send her out and he refused blatantly. In fact, he prefers her to me.
You caused it. Yes, you did. You're toiling with your man, no? Are you mad? See, you're toiling with that bro. I don't understand. Were you not the one yelling and protesting for a maid? I'm asking you, were you not?
I wanted a maid, but not a crazy one. This one is crazy. I mean, she's all over the place with that Chelsea fan bullshit. She's even influenced my man.
Did you say crazy, Chelsea crazy fan?
Oh yes, she's a crazy Chelsea fan. I mean, do you know, can you imagine that crazy girl bought my man a jersey? A jersey, my own man, in my house. They sit in the sitting room watching football, drinking together. What, I'm supposed to sit down and watch all that? Come on, girl.
I won't have any of it. So I left the house. And it's either she stays or I leave. Or I leave and she stays.
But wait, did you say she's a crazy Chelsea fan?
See, it's not like I'm suspecting, the girl with Frank. I don't think they're cheating on me. I mean, they're not having an affair or something. I just want her to leave the house. I don't want her anymore.
Okay. Frank called me. And I need to go to that house for that maid. I really need to.
He did?
Yeah.
Better.
But babe, wait. You really need to go back to that house. Whosoever that is advising you to leave the house does not want your peace of mind. Seriously.
I'm not going back there until she leaves. I can't stay in the same roof with that girl.
But wait. What is her name?
Who cares? I don't know. Some name like Chikamso. Yes, Chikamso is her name.
Okay, now, no problem now. No problem, just calm down.
Talk to Franco. Talk to him.
I'll talk to him. Calm down. Hello? Hello, sister? Yes, sister, I know where she is now. Yeah. She's working in my friend's house. Yeah. I want to go there now. When I get there, I will call you back. Okay. All right.
I no do anything, no. I no do anything, no. You fit ask my oga, I know they find trouble. Oga, they find trouble. Anything wey pass my work no concern me. Answer me dey here, oga, they find trouble.
But Frank, how could you? How could you? She's my niece and I know her too well. I know what she can do. Why didn't you tell me all this? Why?
I didn't know you guys were related. Like I told you over the phone, she's not any trouble to me. Okay? She's just doing her job and that's all.
But Nina is out there because of her.
You see that thing where they talk. You dey make me vex so on a normal level. If you say you be my mama's sister, I for don't jump you. She no dey outside because of me, no be because of me. I know oga tell am now. She just tell you now, say no be because of me. Wetin happen now? Hey, they send you come give me. Wetin be this? Abeg.
Amaka, your niece here took care of me when I was sick and very down. All right? She's just doing her job. She's a nice person. Where was Nina then when I was almost dying? She was nowhere to be found. I beg you, I don't want her to go anywhere. She's not going anywhere. Huh? She's not.
With all due respect, Frank, she will no longer work in this house again. I don't want you to work here again. You're living with me. Whether you like it or not, you're living.
I beg, I dey beg you. I dey beg you. I dey beg you with the God wey me and you dey serve. I dey beg you. I take go beg you. I come dey use the breast wey you give me. These 2 breasts wey you give me. I take and dey beg you dey join. Leave me now. Dey your lane. Dey your space. Wetin happen? They sent you. Now you be my own village people. No, now you be my own village people. No be your mama send me out of the house to make I comot for house. I comot for house, come city. As I enter city to tell you say God dey my life. Na so God butter my bread. I meet this good man, this fine man. I meet this God sent angel wey God just position. The man wey God wan use program my life as e suppose be. He never even start the work, he just dey step. Now you come, you know say na you be the village person wey dey suffer for this life. Now you be my own village people. Wetin happen? As Adibati sabi una, wetin be this? Why dey worry me? Wetin happen?
Chikamso.
I dey go beg you.
Chikamso, that's enough. All right, relax.
Oga, no dey like bad thing.
Just relax.
No make me cry, yo. Anybody wey make me cry, the person, if no be say you be my mama sister, on a normal level, I don reason you. I don jump you. Aunty Bakwoko. No wahala. It's all right.
Amaka, as you can see, I'm not holding her against her will. All right? She's free in this house. She's like a sister to me. As for the job, I was planning she would stop so that she would go back to school.
Oga, I beg, no listen.
Not in Nigeria anyway. Yes, London to be precise. I want to do it for her.
Oga Frank.
Hmm?
Oga Frank.
Yes.
Hey! My fine Oga, you don't talk another one. I still dey try recover from the one where you talk. Now you talk another one, Oga Frank. You won't make I faint.
Yes, I want to do it for you. I want you to study abroad.
Now so you dey do your own. Now so you dey do your own. Ah! Who be me now? Who I be? Who be me? Who be me? Who me? No, who me now? Wetin come be this? Na like this you take dey shock. Ah God, you tell me say you go shock me sha, but I no know say e go be like this. Don't worry.
Chikam, so that's enough.
Na the girl wey dem talk say e no get sense wey carry Chelsea for head. Chelsea don carry me enter London. Chelsea won't carry me go school. Na like this you dey do. Don't worry, no one. Me and you go reason. You know how to take do am now. You know how to take talk and we go meet. We go meet on the normal level. Ah! You too much. You too much. Make I talk and my part no go tear. Too much. I God. And when they come back, Oga, be I go faint another one for you. You need faint.
Calm. So, my beautiful niece, Asanwa. Hey, do you know that you're too beautiful?
I beg you, vex. You dey hear person dey talk.
You truly deserve it. You deserve it, my dear. Eh?
Auntie
Do you know that you're my...
Auntie Amaka.
Hey.
Auntie Amaka. Hello.
You're my only blood.
Auntie
I love
Amaka,
you.
answer your name now.
I'm answering you now.
I want dey sure say na you.
It's me.
Na you dey.
Yes, I support
you. Sure say you no dey play record. You sure say you no dey play something?
Nah, calm down. I support you, Amaka. All these things that we've been saying, shouting, is just for your own good. Hey! God, I thank you that my niece will finally go to school. Hey! Thank you, Jesus. Up Chelsea! Up Blues! Blues for life.
Hey! This one shocked me.
Why are you shocked?
Amaka, no vex o. Na like this. Na.
Yes, so. Yes.
No vex.
I support you.
Hey!
You see that chase here? I'll be watching it on your behalf.
You see this life, eh?
Hey!
Anything wey you do for this life, make sure say you get money. Even if you no get money, you get connection.
Yes,
you get wise. So now, because say you hear say they go London, say I go school. Your mouth don twist. You don become member.
All of us, we are fighting for your own
unbeliever. Don't become believer. Arrest my case.
Stop it. All of us, we are fighting for your own good.
Chelsea, now you do this one.
Oh God.
Hey,
Thank you.
Ogami.
Thank you, Jesus.
God bless you.
Thank
Make
you,
I just
Papa.
give you one faint.
Hey.
My use faint closer.
A Chelsea fan, chicken someone mama. A crazy fan, chicken someone mama.
Come on, let's go. What are you waiting for now?
Hey, bro. I'm so sorry, man. We're just packing up.
Papa, what's up now?
So sorry, man. I'm just packing up. That's
You're
all.
going to miss your flight.
I'm not going to miss my flight. Don't say that again. Hey. Is that all?
Yes. Amos don't put the other ones for good.
All right. Let's move.
Okay. Now movement things now.
What's up, bro?
What's up? What's this?
What's wrong?
What is this, bro?
Oh, Chelsea, man. The sky is blue. Let's go.
The sky is blue.
Let's go, bro.
Okay.
She's now a different person. She is not more the same. She have changed.
Amos! Amos! It's Nina! Open this gate! Amos! I said open this gate!
No. My oga say make I no open gate for anybody. My oga go London yesterday. He say make I no open gate for anybody.
Amos, you know I'm your boss's fiance. If I enter this compound, I'll make sure he sacks you. Will you open this gate now?
Madam, I know fit oh. You better call him on the phone. Call him. Now the instruction where I dey follow.
I have his foreign number, don't worry. I'll call him. And when he comes back, I'll make sure he sacks you, okay?
Sorry, boss.
It's all right.
I like it. Oh, the air they sweet me. I just do like this for street of London. Ah, God, I'm so happy. I'm so happy to be back home.
Yeah, it's good to be back home.
Not
Yeah?
like I didn't like it there. I loved it there. But, you know, now I have to come back because I went, I saw, and I conquered.
And your paper has expired.
Yes, before police will carry me.
You know?
Ah, God. Boss.
Yeah.
I want to use this opportunity to say I am grateful. I am deeply, deeply grateful. And I totally appreciate everything you did for me. I mean, who could have thought that Chikamso, the one they called useless, Chikamso, the useless Chelsea girl in the village, Queen of Chelsea, aka Chelsea for life, aka the sky is blue, aka blue in the blood, aka Stanford Bridge. That one day will step her foot, her 2 legs into Stanford Bridge. Hey! Gamso! You don't land. Sorry, sir. Sorry. My boss! I want to say thank you. God bless you, sir.
You're welcome. You're welcome, my dear. I'm glad you enjoyed yourself out there.
Oh,
You had a great time, huh?
I understatement. I over enjoyed myself in the UK.
I know.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome, my dear. Why don't we go out to eat outside there?
No, boss, come on. I did the reason I might say after this, mede. I go enter inside, see what I feel arrange. On to am I going to buy jumper?
No, you don't need to arrange anything. Let's just go out and eat something nice.
As in by, am I going to take me
somewhere nice.
Hi.
Not take me.
Yeah, you know they flex me like Oyibo people. Like we are eating out, you know?
Yeah, we're eating out.
Let's
go eat out here.
You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
She's now a different person. She is no more the same. She have changed. Pretender.
Hi, babe.
Where are you coming from?
From the bar spot. What's up? Why you like this?
Do you love me? Don't lie to me.
Of course I love you, honey. And I won't stop loving you.
I feel I'm losing Franklin.
Forget about him.
It's not that easy.
Just try.
I'm trying, I just can't stop. Look at me, what I'm doing is wrong. I will go to him. I will kneel if I have to. I'll beg him for forgiveness. I really hope he takes me back. I have to rekindle my love with him and get my relationship back.
How about the money I asked you for?
That's a whole lot of money.
Here's your card. Your credit card. I took 100K to set out some bills. You can have it. You can come back if he rejects you. I'm still available.
Genzy fan, chicken someone mama. A crazy fan, chicken someone mama. If your talk could not be Genzy talk, in a crazy fan, chicken someone mama. If you like football, you and chicken so go be best friend. If you like football, you and chicken so go the talk. She's a crazy fan, chicken someone mama. If you like football.
Okay. Good evening, sir. Good evening, welcome. Let me. Okay, is there any problem? Huh?
Chikamso,
Sir?
I do not want to lose you.
I don't understand. You're not losing.
I want to be with you forever. I want you to stay with me forever. You have shown it all. And this is who you are. I like and love who you are. Like I said, I will not want to lose you. Every other thing can go, but not you. Because I want to be with you forever. Chikamso, will you be my wife? My new beginning? Please, don't say no. Please. Chikamso, will you be my wife? Huh?
Oga, no verse, no verse. You get as belle they do me. You get as my heart they do. They be like, say, I don't really understand. But it's okay, it's okay. I like you too. I like you too much too.
And that's a yes.
I like, yes, yes.
God. My leg hurts.
I'm sorry about your leg. Okay, beg, no first. Is this real? No, is this for real? Like, I hope it's not those things I used to watch on the phone where they will now say, it's a prank, it's a prank. I hope after you not tell me it's a prank, because I don't understand. How? I hope later you know. Okay.
It's never a mistake. Knowing you in my life.
Baby, please. I'll do whatever it takes for us to come back together. I want us back. I don't even mind if you want the girl to stay. What's her name again? Chikamso. She can stay if you want.
You'll do whatever it takes, right?
Absolutely, I will.
Okay. I want my engagement ring back. I want it back. Maybe after then we can have a discussion, but now I want it back.
Darling, it hasn't got to that.
I want my ring back.
Please, I'm sorry. Okay, I don't even know where I left it. Okay? I'm sorry.
Sorry for what exactly? For what happened on the 14th of last month at Grand Hotel? Or for what you've been doing with your ex, Dave, behind my back?
Dave? I haven't seen Dave for years. He's in London, you know.
What the hell are you talking about? Which Dave? What's London? You think I'm a fool? You think I do not know what's going on? Huh? What the hell do you take me for?
Babe. Baby, please.
Please.
It's the devil's work. I'm sorry. I didn't mean... I didn't want it to happen that way. It's the devil, please. I'm so sorry. Forgive me.
Hello. What do we have here? Hey, baby. How are you?
How you doing?
I'm good, and you? How are you?
I'm good.
Uh-huh. Hello.
It is what it is. All right? It's a good thing you've seen it.
Mm-hmm.
She's my wife.
That's right, baby.
And as for my ring, I want it back.
Baby, you can't do this. I'm sorry, Frank.
Your time is up. I want you to leave my house now. Get out. I said...
Honey, come on. You don't need to stress yourself, okay? This is a case of woman supporting woman. So I will handle this bitch. Get out. Mm-hmm. She's my husband.
Baby.
Hey, come on. You are harassing my husband. And that's wrong. This is you trying to take my husband from me. So you are practically a husband snatcher. So get out.
Frank.
Hey, auntie, it's still Chikamso. Are you insane? Madam, you know if you change, I go tear you. When I enter you, madam, get out because I dey form English for you. They do anyhow. You want me to push you? I feel push you, guy. I feel lift you, throw you out. My friend, move out. You dey mad? You know say I still Kamso, Queen of Chelsea.
Honey.
Ah God, you don't reach. Oh yeah, you go. Yeah. Get out! Nonsense. Big fucking. My sweet love. Why didn't you call me earlier?
I'm sorry, I don't know where she came in from. But
You
thank God you came for
you
the...
just allowed that thing to stress you for me. You don't need any stress, okay?
Of course.
The baby is here.
But Nina, you did not tell me you...
Hey! Bella! Was it just you I saw now or it was someone else? Please tell me it was not you. Tell me it was not you washing a full car. You, Bella, were washing your fiance's car.
Nina, what do you want me to do? I was simply washing my husband's car. Do you want it to be dirty?
Bella! You are washing your... Hey!
What is it, Nina? Why are you yelling? What is it?
You don't know why I'm yelling. You, Bella, washing a full car. And you're asking me, you don't know why I'm yelling.
My love.
Hey!
What's going on here?
I don't know why she is yelling. Nina, are you okay?
You. God will punish you. Bella, God must punish you. You made me believe that you don't do anything in this house. You said that Mike does the cleaning, the washing, the cooking. You don't do anything. Just to find you washing a full car. You are evil. You made me lose a good man, a wonderful man. You deceived me, Bella. What kind of a friend are you?
Are you not rather a fool? Nina, you're a fool.
Honey, a very big one at that. Nina, you want me to tell you what you're supposed to be doing in your relationship. When you were busy slaying, forming big gear, forming slay queen, slay mama, I was just playing along. Nina, I wash, I cook. In fact, I do vividly everything in this house.
Hey!
I wash my husband's clothes. I cook his meal. I do everything for him. What do you want me to do?
Why?
I should slay with you? You that needed a maid? I don't need any maid.
Hey!
Nobody is forcing me to do what I don't want to do.
Is this how you are?
I take care of my home. The maid you brought for Frank is the same maid Frank got married to. Are you not a big fool?
Why? Why did you do this to me? God will punish you. Amaka warned me. Amaka told me I did not listen. You're the one saying all of this, Bella. You.
You are evil. Hey! God will punish
Hey!
you.
Enough. I would not sit here and watch you insult my woman. I would not. What makes you think you have the right to walk into my private property and insult my wife? I've had enough. I've respected Frank enough. Now you get out of my
Bella!
Get out!
Period.
Nina, I said get out before I lose it.
You
don't need to believe anything. Just get out. Walk out.
Out. You are disturbing the neighborhood. Get out.
Bella! Hey!
Why serious, Bella? Go out, please. Respected you not because of my friend. Now get out.
You were busy forming slay queen. Forming slay queen up and down. Baby, like I told you. Can you believe Nina was advising me? Bella, don't cook. Bella, don't clean. Bella, be a slay queen. Bella, leave Mike to do everything. Baby, you know I can't do that. You know I'm not capable of doing that. Hey, baby.
I know, right?
You
I
know
know.
that, Papa. I love you.
Love you too. Thank you. Thank you for all you're doing.
She's now a different person. She is not more the same. She have changed. Pretender. You are no more the same. You have changed. Oh, you have changed. She have changed. She have changed. Oh, change goes. Change goes. You made me to love you. You showed me love before. And I know you will break my heart. And I know you are someone else. And I know you are like this. You don't know the way. You change it all. You change it all. You are not the same person I used to know. You have changed totally. You changed it all. You changed it all. You feel Maggie. You can't eat your cake and have it again. You can't eat your cake and have it again. She have changed. She have changed. Oh, change it goes. Change it goes. You made me to love you. You showed me love before. And I know you will break my heart. And I know you are someone else. And I know you are like this. You don't know the way. You change it all. You change it all. You are not the same person I used to know. You have changed totally. You changed me. If it matter money, you can't eat your cake and have it again. She have changed. She have changed. You made me to love you. You showed me love before, and I know you will break my heart, and I know you are someone else, and I know you are like this, yo. I know need the way it changes go, it changes go. You are not the same person I used to know. You have changed totally.
Dave? Honey?
You can't eat your cake. She have changed.
Dave? Where are you? In the toilet. Dave?
She have changed.
He's right here.
You made me to love you. You showed me love before.
My purse, I have some dollars in it. My cards.
And I know you are someone else. And I know you are like this, yo.
Where my jewelry is?
Oh my God.
My money. Dave! Dave!
You have changed totally.
My God. My God. My money. My dollars.
You can't eat your
oh my God.
And have it again.
Why? Dave! No, what is happening? What is happening?
She have changed. You showed me why before.
I don't like this kind of thing. I don't like which kind of thing be this now?
Let me manage it. It's just for
manage
one day.
Manage what? Why go they fly? Why go they fly Red Devil? Why go they fly Man U color?
Chikam, so it's just for today now.
I know they like that. Which one be just for today? Now my wedding be this. They say na special day. Now my color suppose they fly. Basically what I tell you, say I don't sabi anything concerning all this women fashion thing. Say na you sabi am. Based on say me I don't forgive am. Say we don't they do together now. I send money give am. I know how much I send give this woman, but not the money when she call. My husband give me money. I send give am. So make she buy blue lace. Blue lace. He go buy me Red Devil. Still carry share go top am up.
Okwa Yogombi, I beg you. You will not wear it again after today now. When you man.
I suppose represent my club. In fact, you know what happen? You know bad. Anyway, where we take do traditional wedding, nobody they question you. They no get uniform for traditional wedding. Anyway, where come, they go wear duna. The most important thing say una come, then wear duna. I dey go wear my jersey. Hey, mba.
Mama, leave me now. I dey vex. This is okay. Just for today. It's okay. It's just for today.
If our president see me, why we are this thing?
Okay.
How you think say they go feel?
Hey!
Hey!
Hello! Hey!
Chukwu okike abịama ya gọzie unu.
Ise!
Unu ya na-eje na-abata.
Ise!
Unu ya mụta ọmụmụ nwoke mụta ọmụmụ nwaanyị.
Ise!
Ife unu ya eji wee zụọ ụmụ nwoke unu ya mụta ama nke unu.
Ise!
Unu mụtakwa ụmụ ife unu ya eji wee zụ ha ama nke unu.
Ise!
Unu ya akpọkwa ha kpọtara anyị. Anyị agọzikwa ha. Ife ọbụla unu tinyela aka ya na-agara unu n'iru.
This time next year. Ejima.
Ọkwa na-ada m na fi ọkwụla ọka. Nwa mụ na mma. Ego gị nwa ọ na-ewe. Hey!
What gives you joy? What gives you happiness? What gives you happiness? Do it. What gives you joy? It's your destiny.